because I have.
Cat across the street! Tin cat! Across! Hello! Aww. Now this is a Robin Zeppelin video. No! No, hurry! Kenny! Kenny, no! No! Don't hiss at me. I have a hammer. You want it? Board smashing cat! Now back to the video. You ride down a hill with that scooter. It's like one of those Dude Perfect videos.
No, I'm good. I'm just gonna go like around here. So yeah. I'm not going down the hill. And you said you were gonna go.
Fine, just ride it around. You don't have to ride it on the hill. Such a wuss. Before we start, let's see if this tree is vulnerable to our hammer. Ah! She went. Ooh, a rock. Die, rock. Yes, I was busy smashing a rock for the board smashing. I mean, Justin Smash's video.
So join Justin for his other. He is going to do vlogs and stuff around the house. But yeah. So we're gonna be doing vlogs on his second channel, and I'm gonna be having a channel. So make sure you subscribe to me, even though I didn't put any of it up. So keep tuned, because I did not make the channel yet. So keep in tune, so I could have my channel, and subscribe if you want me to have my own channel. And make sure
I'll give her my spirit channel.
So like it up, people.
You didn't post any videos yet.
Give a big thumbs up to Super Mario Kart Justin.
Super Mario Minecraft Justin. How hard is it to get?
Okay, so subscribe, like, and if you're one of those hater people, then screw off.
How am I kidding? I've been making videos for all these years. Well, actually 2 years, because I joined in 2016. And I don't even have a name for my subscribers or fans. What should the name be? Oh, I know. Minecrafters. Super Mario Minecrafters. Alright, that's kind of a dumb name. It's a work in progress. But,
okay, so right now, me and Justin will go on the swings or go to the park or something, which is all the way over there, if you can see that. So, let's go,
sun
Jake.
glare. Protect me. Yes, the screen made it dim more.
Okay, hold on to the scooter. Okay, hold on to the scooter.
I'm still holding the freaking hammer from the smashing video.
Alright, you want me to hold it?
No. I can't trust you with no phone. You broke Mom's iPhone 6 before.
iPhone 6, no?
That's why she had to replace it. Poor